Here's a CSV file of the last 24 hours of active fires on the surface of our planet. Thank you, NASA. How do I get this into a GIS? Let's start with ArcGIS Online. I'm gonna add a new item and I'm gonna choose my device. And I'll choose this table, open. Ooh, intriguing. I can upload the table only or try to crank it out as geography. Let's do geography. Oh yes, these all look fine. Oh my goodness. ArcGIS Online has detected something intriguing, latitude and longitude. Next, let's see how this looks on a map. Boom. Look at that. Now, why is it the fireball sprite from 1988's Contra video game? Who knows? But you can make it look however you want. We now have it in a live, active, honest-to-goodness GIS. Let's try it in Pro. In the Map tab for Add Data, I'll choose XY Point Data. And that'll open up a specialized geoprocessing tool that asks me, where's the data? It's here. Oh, look at that. It's detected lat and long here too. Let's see. Glorious. Ready to be styled up however we want.